What's up, everybody? Good morning to another edition of Elite Trading Pre-Market Prep right here, going over GameStop. We have the GameStop earnings coming up. TKAT, we called out at $5 in the live alert section of our Discord server. We brought it out to you guys. If you guys were in on that one, smash that like, talk about it. Did you get to play it? It's over $50 in a week. So crazy moves going on. And you're understanding that there's a lot of people that are looking for the next big thing. They're wanting to get in early, and they're not afraid to miss out if they're not in early. So that thing went from 5 to 30, back to 20 to 50. I mean, TKAT, that is crazy. Keep in mind, everyone here, you're here to get opinions. You're not here to get stock advice. We're not telling you what to buy. We're not giving you the bullshit that you see out there in the market when it's spamming you to join a group. If you want to join our group, feel free to join it. If you don't, come in here and get free pre-market prep every day. If you want to join a live chat, all you got to do is hit that link and join us and join a group of good people. But furthermore, we're going to go on and hit you up with what? The newsletter, because the newsletter is what we need to get started every. All right, guys, we're going to pull up that newsletter because I have the charts up, but here you go. Newsletter, daily newsletter, 3/24/2021. What's in store for the quote of the day? We have Wall Street sells stocks and bonds, but what it really peddles is hope. Jason Zwig. We have Bulls, TKAT, JFIN, HOFV, UPST, and ORMP. We have the Bears, ORLA. We have SVAC. You know, I'm talking against my book. We've been holding that one. I sold some of my shares yesterday. That thing is just not moving, and it just needs a little poke. I know you guys on the Twitter or on those Reddit groups, get the stick out. Where's Blake? Make him get a little poker. We need to poke SVAC because it ain't doing nothing. CAN and SY also on that Bears list. Daily news, major indices rose on Monday morning with a sharp sell-off before closing. This morning during early pre-market hours, major indices fell even further. Tesla stock rose over 6% before cutting and selling off to 2.3% Monday after Cathie Wood's ARK Investment announced its new price target of $3,000 by 2025. Now, furthermore blood in the water there at Tesla, trading down to 670 this morning that I saw. Let's keep an eye on that when we jump to the charts. We have Jack Dorsey sold his first tweet. We've been talking NFTs in the server. We're building the NFT group. We've got the Canadian crypto team on it. We're going to have the NFTs coming to you. And this is stuff that's really important. You know, I think that's something that you want to make sure you understand. If you don't understand it, we can teach you about it while we grow and while we learn about them as well. So we have Jack Dorsey sold his first tweet as an NFT for just over $2.9 million. $2.9 million, everyone. Cathie Wood's ARK Investment set the new price target for $3,000 on Tesla with a low bearish target of $1,500. So worst case scenario, they're going to double, triple, quadruple. So that's what Cathie Wood's saying. Jerome Powell and Janet Yellen are testifying before the House Financial Service Committee on the state of economic recovery today. Speaking on that, talking about the news, like what are you watching? What do you see in the news? Has it been good news, bad news? Are they talking, wow, the stimulus is here, you're getting paid? Are they saying stimulus troubles, banks aren't giving you your paychecks, everyone's not getting money? Are they putting it into the market? You're seeing coronavirus upticks in Brazil with the new strand, saying that they are afraid that it possibly, they want to know, is it going to be vaccine effective? Germany shutting down again from what I heard this morning. Haven't done any research on that, but I will research that and make sure if that's true. We have Florida shutting down at 8 p.m. for the spring breakers. So a lot going on in the nation right now, and it seems like it's a pot of boiling bad news, not good news. So I'll be watching, and I try to stay away from the news because I don't want it to deter from what I want to do as a trader, but I also want to be aware of it. Watching DS, OGI, NOK, WORK, and AESE. All right. Let's jump over to the charts, baby. All right, everyone, we're looking at the S&P 500, and this bad boy had a nice run yesterday. It was slow moving. It was the train was in gear for the upside, but it was in first gear all the way up the hill. It was slow. So the SPY went up yesterday, and now it is trading within a range. We're looking at that, keeping an eye on the 388 low, also that 388 low around 389 on the dot actually, and then you have the 390 strong support area, big level, and then 392.83. And then to your upside, we need to come back all the way up to 397 or 396 in that area to take out some of those old highs. So we'll see what the old SPY is going to be doing today. In my opinion, I see a dip in the early morning, and then maybe a run up at the end of the day, possibly. We'll see what happens there. We also have Tesla. All the way down to that 673. Is 720 the next target to hang out and chill around there possibly? I don't know. I like 720. We mentioned it yesterday. Your low, be careful for 626. That range is scary as well. We're going to pull up AESE, one of our group members, new investor. Started out, wanted to flip his portfolio and turn into some other stocks and get in and change some things in there, and he did. And he got in around in this low two area, low to mid twos, and then now he woke up to $4 the other day. Asked me what he should do. I said, in my opinion, I say you take off some profits, and if you really like the stock, you buy back in on a dip. So if you would have done that at 4, you come back in here, you're 30 cents shy of that, all the way down to a chance at 340. So keep that in mind, guys. You get these big runs, take some profit off. That's just my opinion. And then if you really like it, you can get back in on a little dip, and take off just profit. Don't sell your whole position. That's what I wouldn't do. I would say, okay, take a little profit, buy a little more. Take a little profit, buy a little more. Take a little profit, buy a little more. Take a little profit, and then buy a little more. And then if it fails, then you just have a stop loss that's set to get you out where you're not going to lose all this previous gains if you were in early. Now it's so we're going to bring it back to my face. This beautiful man, Kaler, coming to you every day, 365 days a year, minus weekends, holidays, and when the market's closed. So we're here. If you want to go back, we have backlog of every pre-market show. You can see the growth from the beginning to now. We're not going anywhere. We're going to continue to grow with you, and we hope you guys keep on growing with us. This is the daily pre-market prep at 9 a.m. for Elite Trading. If you want to add to the show, or if you have something you might be able to offer, please hit us up in the comments or just send us a quick private message, and we will have our team reach out, set up a meeting, and get together and work with you. So we appreciate you guys coming in. Smash, kick, punch, elbow, that like button, hit that share, hit that subscribe, watch some other videos. Learn. Get ready. Stay in the green. Stay blessed, my friends. My name's Caleb.